Awesome, Fabio. Awesome background. I love it. Hey, 3 fast ways to sell Builderall. Once you watch this video, you're gonna know 3 ways that you can pull it off and sell Builderall fast. These are methods that I use myself, and I've made loads of money with Builderall, so they do work. Alright, here on my channel, it's about helping entrepreneurs and marketers become great. I do shows every Tuesday and Friday. I have a lot of valuable videos about marketing, affiliate marketing. So if you want to subscribe. Alright, these 3 fast ways for you to sell Builderall are actually ways that you have to put in the work in and are free methods. Now, let me clarify something. This is for people that really want to pull it off and that are willing to put in the work. And what I mean by this, you want to have a goal. Like for every day, your goal I would say would be for you to make 2 sales per day. And if you can't make 2 sales per day, at least have I want to have 2 testing leads per day. Of course, if you have, you know, a Saturday or a Sunday off, that's fine, but every single day you want to work towards, like if you use this method that I'm going to show you. And also, by the end, make sure to stay until the end of the video, because later on I will show you exactly what I say to people so that I get people to sign up under Builderall and be on my team. So let's dive in. Here, let me go here into my computer and show you. So the first way that I'm going to show you is through LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great way to target right kind of people. And so the way I do it here with LinkedIn is I add people into my network, and so you have connections, and I add people related to marketing, affiliate marketing, website building, digital marketing, sales, directors, executives, business owners, and these kind of people is the people that I add. And what I do is, so I add them, and then literally I come here and click, and I send them a message, right? That's what I do. I wanna put myself in front of them. Now you need to approach them right, and so the first thing you want to do is you want to say hi, and you want to say their name. So hi, Jan, Nick, and that's all you want to say. You want to say just hi and their name, nothing else. And then you want to wait for them to reply. Once they reply, you send them this message that I will put, that I'm going to show you later on the video. So this is the method. You add people connection into your network. Here you go to my network here on top, and as you can see, you can connect with people. So you can come every day here and you can say, this guy is the digital marketing girl, so you connect with her. Hire sale, this guy is on sale. Things related to what Builderall has to offer, sale expert, so I connect with these people, right? And I connect with these people on a daily basis. Boom. Once I connect with them, then all you do is you go to your connection, and you do this. You click on the person, you say hi to them, and then you send the message that I will show you. Now for the second method is you actually search here for, let's say, you could say you could do even, you know, funnel. You can do funnel, and then you click here content on the left on LinkedIn. And what's going to show, it's a lot of posts that people are doing here, and that has the word funnel. And so because Builderall, it's a funnel builder, we want to offer them Builderall. And I'm going to give you the perfect text for you to go about it in a moment. And so what you want to do is you want to read these texts right here and see what people are talking about, because you can see here 321 comments, and you will literally find people that are needing a funnel or a website. You can even go and search here for websites, because Builderall is a website builder too, right? So, and what you want to do is you want to go and find people that need websites. Like people are literally asking, what's the best tool to use, right? And you literally just get, you know, comment and say, hey, I got something that's pretty cool that I wanted to show you, and then you send them a message, right? Or you can even just reply with your affiliate link for Builderall, right? So that's one way, because the thing is, you wanna look for people that are looking for a solution, and you wanna offer them the solution. That's the best approach you could have when selling Builderall. You don't want to just spend your time with general people all that don't need the tool. You actually want to look for people that do need the tool, right? So this is the second method you would go. You type in here keywords, and then you look for what people are talking about, what like they need a website. See, this guy is asking any website designers, and then you could come here to the comments, send them a message, or even say here on the comments, hey, I know this tool that I work with that it's drag and drop, so you won't need designers. Are you up to taking a look at it? Something along these lines. Actually, the perfect text is I'm going to show you in a minute. And so this is method number 2. You go and you search for what people like, what they need, and you offer the solution. This is a great way to go about it, right? The third way you would do it is you could go, this is Facebook, so this is actually Builderall official group. But let's say you would go to, let's say, ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has a group, which is the official group. And this group right here, there's a lot of people here that has ClickFunnels. Now, a lot of people that has ClickFunnels, they don't know about Builderall. And Builderall is cheaper than ClickFunnels, and it does pretty much the same and even more. So many people, if they knew about Builderall, they would actually use Builderall because it's cheaper, and it does actually more than ClickFunnels. It has an autoresponder, a lot more. And so these people here are great people that if they are using ClickFunnels, they will want to use Builderall. So what you want to come to this group, and you want to kind of find people here on the comments and everything, and you just message people. Literally, I would recommend you do a little bit of research on the person. Now I'm going to show you the text that I have to show you, because that's what makes all the difference. Because most people think that talking one-on-one with people is kind of spamming, and let me tell you that is not if you do it this way that I'm going to show you. So what do you do? Let's say this guy right here, you go and you send them a message, and you just say, hi James. You just say, hi James. Boom, you don't do nothing else here. Now I'm going to share with you the text. This is the formula right here. It's so simple, yet people overcomplicate things, but this is how simple it is. Here we go. This is the text you want to send to people. So you want to send hi, and once they reply, they say hi, you go and you tell them straight up front, would you like to try out the all-in-one marketing platform that has everything you need for one low price? Simple, straight to the point. You're not spamming. You're asking a question. You're asking them if they wanna try this one and all in marketing platform. You're asking them if they wanna try, right? And some people will say no thanks, and that's fine. You move on. And some people will say more information. When they say more information, you literally just give your affiliate link. And let me give you an example how I do it. So I have here with Billy, I have this right here. I made a link, which is Builderall page. And what I do, pretty much what I do is, so let me show you here examples. So here, this is LinkedIn. So when I'm approaching one guy, let's give an example. So right here, see how I did it? I literally went and said, look this example right here. This guy is franchising at Royal Group, so like he's like the manager or CEO. I mean, and I say, hi Martin, and I say, hi Fabio, how are you? And I go and I say, doing good today, thanks. Hope all is doing well with you as well. And then I ask the amazing question, which is, would you like to try out the all-in-one marketing platform that has everything you need for one low price? And then he says right away, I will need more information. And what I say, boom, here we go. Boom, the information, they click this right here. It's my affiliate link, as you can see here, Builderall with my affiliate link right here, and I send them straight to Builderall page. Now in Builderall page, they can see what the tool is, and they even have the button here to try it for 7-day free trial, right? So this is the approach. Now you may ask me, does this really work? Absolutely does work. Now this is a solution that you really have to put in the work. And what I mean by putting in the work, you don't want to send this just to like 5 or 10 people. You want to send to at least 100 people per day. And if you're really serious, you want at least 200 people per day. You want to do this to 200 people per day. And if you do this, you can expect to make sales with Builderall. It's guaranteed, because it's like a numbers game. The more people you send, a lot of people are not interested, but some people will get curious and they will just say, hey, more information. You send them the link, boom, you don't like, they have everything there. The site explains everything for them. So it's a no-brainer, right? It's very easy to go about it. Is this making sense? If it is making sense, comment your country beneath this video, and if you like what I've just shared with you, smash the like button. Now, this strategy is really amazing. Like I said, you have to put in the work. You really have to, send to at least 100 to 200 people per day and expect to make sales. Expect to make sales. And then, because Builderall has an amazing compensation plan, the recurring just keeps kicking in, and it's amazing. And then even if they're interested in making money online, you can even send other stuff. If you have, like, I have a funnel where I give bonuses to people that join under my team. Like, if you want to join under my team, I will leave the link beneath this video. I give you a 6,000 worth of bonuses when you join my Builderall team, and so you could do that as well with them. Although this strategy is straightforward, you don't need bonuses. I mean, you're just asking the magical question up front, which is hi, their name, so they can reply to you, and then you ask them straight up, and you're not spamming, you're not sending links, you're not, because it's like people need to ask you about something. So you're just making a question. You're not spamming, you're not sending links or nothing. You ask this magical question: would you like to try out the all-in-one marketing platform that has everything you need for one low price? Simple. They either say no, thank you, or they either say tell me more, or more information, or whatever, and then boom, you start a conversation. It's about putting yourself in front of as many people as possible. That's how you make sales with Builderall if you're doing free traffic method. This is a great way to go about it. And a lot of people ask me, Fabi, how would I get sales? Man, if you really want to get sales, the 7-day free trial of Builderall, it's freaking amazing, because the tool is very cheap and it offers a lot. So it's a great way to go about it. And I hope that was making sense. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you unlike it, give it a thumbs down. If you enjoyed this content, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you know somebody that will benefit from this video, your team on Builderall, or somebody that, even this works for Builderall, to sell Builderall, but also works for other tools. I mean, you can promote anything this way. It's a great way to go about it. Ask a question, say hi, ask a question, and then if they say yes, you offer them your affiliate link. Alright, I will leave a video right here of 19 ways to make money with Builderall. Check it out.